Hey guys, how are you feeling today? Vibrant, I hope. Let's face it, we all want that youthful glow, that radiant skin that defies time. But what if I told you the secret to turning back the clock isn't in some expensive cream or procedure, but in the food you eat? We're diving deep into the world of anti-aging superfoods, those nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help you look and feel younger from the inside out. We're talking about reducing wrinkles, boosting collagen production, and giving your skin that healthy, vibrant glow you've always wanted. Stick around till the end, because we're not just going to list these superfoods. We'll be ranking them, revealing our top 5 picks that you can easily incorporate into your diet starting today. From the mighty blueberry to the surprising benefits of bone broth, get ready to discover the delicious path to a younger-looking you.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is a true anti-aging all-star, the blueberry. These tiny fruits pack a serious punch when it comes to fighting free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage our cells and contribute to aging. See, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially a group called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. Anthocyanins are like little warriors fighting off oxidative stress, protecting your skin from premature aging, and keeping those wrinkles at bay. But wait, there's more. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that's essential for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm and elastic. So getting enough vitamin C from sources like blueberries can help maintain that youthful plumpness. And if you're worried about inflammation, a major culprit in aging, blueberries have got you covered there too. Their anti-inflammatory properties can help calm your skin, reduce redness, and even protect against sun damage. So how can you incorporate more of these little blue wonders into your diet? It's easy. Add them to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on your yogurt, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Remember, a handful of blueberries a day keeps the wrinkles away. Up next, we're moving on to a cruciferous veggie that's a must-have for anyone serious about anti-aging. Stay tuned.
Coming in at number 4 is a vegetable that might not be everyone's favorite, but trust me on this one. Broccoli. This cruciferous powerhouse is a nutritional rock star loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously up your anti-aging game. One of broccoli's secret weapons is its high vitamin C content, even more than blueberries. We already know vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, but it also helps protect your skin from sun damage and promotes overall skin health. But broccoli doesn't stop there. It's also packed with vitamin A, another essential nutrient for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps protect your skin from damage, promotes cell turnover, and can even help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And if you're looking for a boost of hydration, broccoli's got you covered there too. It's surprisingly high in water content, which can help keep your skin plump and hydrated from the inside out. Now, I know what you might be thinking, broccoli? Really? But don't let its humble appearance fool you. This veggie is a true anti-aging champion. Try steaming it, roasting it with some extra virgin olive oil and spices, or adding it to stir-fries and soups. You'll be amazed at how delicious it can be, and your skin will thank you for giving it a healthy dose of age-defying nutrients. Up next, we're diving into the world of beverages with a drink that's been revered for centuries for its health benefits. Get ready to spill the tea on, well, tea. Stay tuned.
Green tea, sip your way to youthful skin. At number 3, we're steeping into the world of beverages with green tea, a drink that's been revered for centuries for its health and longevity benefits. But did you know it's also a powerhouse for anti-aging? Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which has been shown to have incredible anti-aging effects on the skin. EGCG helps protect your skin from sun damage, reduces inflammation, and even helps promote collagen production. But the benefits of green tea go beyond its antioxidant power. It's also been shown to improve blood flow, which means more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to your skin cells, keeping them healthy and vibrant. And if you're concerned about age spots, those pesky dark spots that can pop up as we age, green tea can help with that too. Its EGCG content can help reduce the production of excess melanin age spots, leading to a more even skin tone. So how can you incorporate more green tea into your routine? It's as easy as brewing a cup or two throughout your day. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and even add a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey for flavor. Remember, sipping on green tea isn't just about enjoying a delicious beverage. It's about investing in your skin's health and preserving that youthful glow from within. Up next, we're indulging in something a little more decadent, but trust me, it's just as good for you. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth and fight aging at the same time.
High cacao, dark chocolate, the Antioxidant Indulgence. Coming in at number 2 is a treat that might surprise you. High cacao, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate can be part of a healthy anti-aging diet, but there's a catch. It has to be the right kind. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, the purer, less processed form of chocolate that's packed with antioxidants called flavonols. These flavonols are like little shields for your skin, protecting it from sun damage, reducing inflammation, and even improving blood flow. But the benefits of dark chocolate don't stop there. It's also been shown to boost collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. And if you're struggling with dry skin, dark chocolate can help with that too. Its flavonols have been shown to improve skin hydration and protect it from moisture loss, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and younger looking. Now, before you go raiding your pantry for that Halloween candy, remember, moderation is key. A small square or two of high cacao dark chocolate a day is all you need to reap its anti-aging benefits. So go ahead, indulge in a little guilt-free pleasure while giving your skin a delicious dose of antioxidants. It's a win-win. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 anti-aging superfood is, well, you'll have to wait a few more seconds to find out.
Bone broth, the liquid gold for youthful skin. And yes, our number 1 anti-aging superfood is bone broth. This might come as a surprise, but this ancient elixir is making a comeback. And for good reason. It's like a magic potion for your skin, packed with nutrients that can turn back the clock on aging. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissue for hours, extracting all the goodness locked inside. This slow cooking process releases collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for healthy, youthful skin. Collagen, as we know, is the protein that gives our skin its structure and elasticity. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. But by consuming bone broth, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to produce more collagen naturally, keeping your skin looking plump, firm, and youthful. Gelatin, another powerful nutrient found in bone broth, acts like a super moisturizer for your skin. It attracts and holds onto water, keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. This can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and dewy. And if you're struggling with inflammation, bone broth can help with that too. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm your skin, reduce redness, and even promote healing. So how can you incorporate more bone broth into your diet? It's incredibly versatile. You can sip on it as a warm, comforting drink, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even add it to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Trust me, once you experience the transformative power of bone broth, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
So there you have it, our top 5 anti-aging superfoods that can help you achieve that youthful glow from the inside out. Remember, true beauty starts from within. And by nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich foods, you're not just fighting aging, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. It's time to ditch the expensive creams and embrace the power of real whole foods. Incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. And feel free to share your anti-aging journey with us here. Let us know in the comments below which of these superfoods you're excited to try, or if you have any other anti-aging secrets you swear by. Let's build a community of healthy, radiant individuals, one delicious bite at a time.